Hi, everybody. This is Crypto Rich, working with you to get rich with crypto, filling our pockets with crypto profits. This is Monday, the 21st of March, and is Bitcoin consolidating in order to make a major move? We're going to find out. We're also going to be looking at the price of Ethereum, Pirate Chain, and Luna. What is happening with Luna?
Take the first step towards online privacy. Get NordVPN.
Find the best cryptocurrency investments, check out Token Metrics, use my affiliate link for a discount.
Hey, Amir, thank you so much for making yourself available. Do you want to say, you're so welcome. Do you want to say a little bit about your credibility? Do you have any credibility, Amir?
I don't know, man. When it comes to predicting markets, I don't think credibility even really. Well, no, now I think now that there seems to be a structure forming. So if you have some experience in detecting that, then it could be really helpful.
Yes.
So yeah, I mean,
just to say on that, you do have experience because you worked as a trader, right? In the bond market.
I do.
You know candles and all of that business. You look at them and you see stuff that I don't see. So, and by the way, none of this, if you're watching this, none of this is investment advice. But if it comes to looking at what's happening in the market, you can listen to what Amir says with his banking and trading background, or you can listen to what I say with my qualifications and experience in child protection social work. Take your pick.
Well, I really think that nobody does know. But a week ago, or that was so much more true. You know, it really was kind of unpredictable. But there's something, you know, now that's happening, that's taking shape, that is notable. I mean, two things.
Okay.
One is when.
Shall I get the chart up?
Yeah. Go ahead and get the chart up.
Oh no, that's not Bitcoin. That's Ethereum. We'll look at that in a moment. Here we are with the Bitcoin chart. And do you want to tell us what you see?
So, I mean, before I even talk about the chart, one thing is that I really took note of is this weekend. If you noticed that it was the first weekend where price actually was not bearish. And usually, like starting Friday evenings, they would start to take Bitcoin down. And then Monday morning, it would be kind of like trying to buy it back up slowly. Well, this weekend, they didn't do that. Bitcoin held 40, and then now today, Monday, it's starting to move up, and that's the wick, the hammer that we see right there right now.
Yeah. Here.
So I really took note of that, because now what could be developing is a flag from this structure right here that you're pointing at, and then a break to the upside, and then we have resistance at around 45,000, right? But in my eyes, if the bulls are in control here, which is what I think is developing, then it wouldn't make sense for them not to be able to break through 45, which would pretty much be like a pronounced, change in direction. And, a lot of people, I think, are talking about, people are going to get caught by surprise and all that kind of stuff. I don't know. I think this has been building up for a while now, and I think the bulls are about to really take control of the market, basically.
Okay, well, let's just have a look at what you said, right? So this was the 18th, and you can see price went up that day. That was a Friday. And then the previous Friday was the 11th, big drop on that Friday. Sorry, here, the 11th, big drop on the Friday. And then the previous one would have been the 4th, which is here. Look at that.
Yeah.
So, what you're saying holds true. And then there's also resistance there around about 42, which it hasn't broken through. And 45.
The bigger resistance is 45.
45, yeah, because if we look, it goes back quite a bit, right? Because there was a lot of resistance here, back at 45. So that is the bigger resistance. And then it would, if it breaks past this trend line plus 42 on the way to 45, and then past that, that would be very, very nice. Very, very nice. Now, if it were to do that, how long do you reckon it would take?
I don't think it's going to take long at all, actually, because I think nobody wants to miss out on the bull, right?
Yeah.
So like, you know, you've got players that are positioning themselves now because they're seeing what we're looking at and they're saying it's coming. Then you've got players that are saying, I'm not going to get in now, but it looks like the bullish trend is coming. I'm going to buy when we break 45 and hold support. Right. I think those are the two kind of dialogues that are happening.
Yeah.
But like, I think this is going to take no more than, let's say, no more than 2 weeks to play out for the 42 level.
Yep.
No more than 42 weeks. That would be a long time, actually, if it took that long. And then, you know, within 4 weeks to resolve the 45 level.
Okay, very cool. And then I like drawing curves and arrows and lines. Amir just looks at candles to judge because he's cleverer than I am about this, but I can see.
No, I would look at moving averages too, but you don't have to in this case.
Well, I can get them up for next time we do a video, right? We can look at, I got moving average ribbon we can use, right? But here there could be a possible W forming, a double bottom, which is bullish. Okay, so that's Bitcoin. Then the next, we're going to look at Ethereum as well, and also Luna, because you told me you follow Luna closely, and there's some very exciting things happening with Luna. But let's have a look at Pirate Chain.